Most iPhone users never change these settings, but a few small changes can improve your battery life, Wi-Fi stability, performance, and even storage. So in this video, I'll show you 10 iPhone settings you should change right now. First, charging limit. If you always charge your iPhone to 100%, it can slowly affect long-term battery health. Go to Settings, Battery, Charging, and set a charge limit around 80% if you want to reduce battery stress. Next, background app refresh. Many apps keep updating in the background even when you are not using them. Go to Settings, General, Background app refresh, and disable it for apps that don't need constant updates. This can help save battery and reduce background activity. Now let's talk about auto brightness. Sometimes your screen suddenly becomes too dark or too bright. You can find these settings in Settings, Accessibility, Display and Text Size, then scroll down to auto brightness. Adjusting this can make your screen experience much better. Next, a Wi-Fi setting many people don't know. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi, tap the eye next to your network, then check private Wi-Fi address. Using the fixed option can keep your connection more stable on many networks. Here's a really useful typing trick. When you are typing on your iPhone keyboard, just press and hold the space bar. Your keyboard turns into the trackpad and you can move the cursor easily. This makes editing text much faster. Now a hidden feature called Back Tap. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Back Tap. You can double tap the back of your iPhone to trigger actions like taking a screenshot or opening shortcuts. It's like having a secret button on the back of your phone. Next, location services for apps. Some apps constantly track your location even when they don't need it. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services. Set unnecessary apps to while using or never. This helps both battery and privacy. Another important setting is app tracking. Some apps request permission to track your activity across other apps. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Tracking, and disable tracking for apps you don't trust. Now let's talk about camera settings. Go to Settings, Camera. Here you can enable features like grid to improve photo composition. This small change can help you take better photos. Finally, iPhone storage. Go to Settings, General, iPhone storage. Sometimes apps store huge files in documents and data without you noticing. Reviewing this section can help you free up a lot of storage quickly. Those were 10 iPhone settings you should check today. A few small changes can make your iPhone faster, smoother, and more efficient.